back to Carver's. Today we're diving into one of the most advanced, futuristic, and luxurious motorhomes ever built, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Armadillo. With a name like Armadillo, you'd expect something tough and protective. But what Mercedes has created is far more than that. It's a fusion of cutting-edge technology, German engineering precision, and unmatched style, a mobile sanctuary designed for those who want to travel in comfort, class, and total control. CB. Exterior is unlike anything you've seen on the road. Inspired by its namesake, the Armadillo features a unique layered shell design, with overlapping paneling that enhances both aerodynamics and safety. When in motion, the motorhome hugs the road with sleek curves and smooth, uninterrupted surfaces. When parked, portions of the body expand outward like armor plates unfolding, revealing slide-out sections and additional living space. It's not just a motorhome, it's a kinetic sculpture. Up front, you get that unmistakable Mercedes-Benz face, a bold digital grille with customizable LED lighting that pulses to life when you approach. The headlights are slim, adaptive, and full matrix, adjusting automatically to traffic and weather conditions. Cameras replace side mirrors for aerodynamic efficiency, and solar panels are integrated along the roof and sides to power essential systems off-grid. The entry doors are flush and electronically deployed, adding a futuristic vibe every time you enter or exit. Step inside, and it's nothing short of a luxury hotel suite on wheels. The interior is clean, open, and modern, with a minimalist aesthetic that blends natural materials like walnut wood and wool blend upholstery with high-tech finishes like aluminum and glass. The floors are soft underfoot thanks to layered acoustic insulation and radiant heating. And the ceiling height expands with an automatic pop-up roof, giving you a surprising sense of space. The front lounge area features 2 reclining captains, chairs and a wraparound sofa, all electrically adjustable. An ultra-thin 75-inch OLED display folds down from the ceiling, paired with a 3D surround audio system by Burmester, creating a cinematic experience like no other. Ambient lighting lines every panel, and everything from the window tints to the room temperature can be adjusted via voice command or through the Mercedes-Benz mobile app. The kitchen is a masterclass in functionality and elegance. It includes a 2-burner induction stove, smart convection oven, built-in refrigerator, and modular cabinets that open with a gentle tap. A retractable glass table doubles as a dining area or work desk, and the space is finished with seamless Corian countertops, touch-sensitive lighting, and automated storage for cutlery, dishes, and supplies. Moving to the bathroom, you get a rain-style shower, full-sized mirror with facial recognition lighting presets, a composting smart toilet, and a sliding privacy wall. The materials are all moisture-resistant, easy to clean, and warm to the touch, making it feel more like a spa than an RV bathroom. At the back is the bedroom, a true retreat. The queen-size bed floats between hidden storage compartments and soft glow. Reading lights. A skylight above the bed brings in natural light during the day and starlight views at night. There's a digital fireplace at the foot of the bed for cozy ambiance, and the entire room is insulated for soundproof, uninterrupted rest. Under the skin, the 2026 Armadillo is powered by a dual-motor electric drivetrain delivering 580 horsepower and 700 lb-ft of torque. With all-wheel drive and adaptive air suspension, the ride is smooth, quiet, and capable even on rough terrain. It has a range of up to 500 miles on a full charge, and fast charging gets you back on the road in under an hour. Pricing starts at $1.4 million, with full customization and upgrades pushing the top-tier models over the $2 million mark. But for that investment, you're not just getting a vehicle, you're getting a luxurious, intelligent, and futuristic lifestyle on wheels. That's the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Armadillo Motorhome. Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe. This is Carver's. See you next time.